Hey folks, this is Justin from the Leonidas Knives and Gear channel, and I'm bringing a really neat product to you all for review. This is the Red-Eyed Hog Original Seasoning, and I'm really good friends with the folks over at Red-Eyed Hog. They're a great group of people. They're an American owned and operated business, and they make all of their seasoning in-house by hand. It's really awesome stuff. And they source these little bottles here, these little containers, and they're perfect for throwing in like your mess kit for your overnight camp bags and other packs like that. And I've been using this seasoning for over 2 years now, and I've absolutely fallen in love with it. Obviously, you know, I like the folks over there at the company because they're good folks, but I can seriously say this is by far one of my favorite seasonings that I've ever used, and I've used it in the kitchen quite a bit. I've used it grilling, and I've used it out camping multiple times, and it is hands down one of the most flavorful, just fresh, smells good. It's an amazing seasoning, and it's really hard to find just what I would call like camping seasoning, especially something like this that's really compact, a little container like this. Of course, you can, you know, maybe buy your own containers and put your own spice together, but just to buy it like this, ready to go, ready to roll, put it in your backpack, put it in your mess kit, it's a pretty valuable item right here. And I honestly didn't realize that until I had got some from the folks over Red-Eyed Hog, how awesome this stuff really is just to have for when you're camping, because what I do is I use it in like those mountain house meals, because those like freeze-dried meals, they're good, but sometimes they're a little lacking, and have something, a spice, a seasoning like this can just really lift your spirits. You've had a long, hard day, you know, long haul in the woods that day, and you're kind of looking for some more flavor, some more kick. And then probably one of my favorite things to do with it is to grill with it, and it's good on any kind of meat, you know, like burgers, hot dogs. Use it on chicken, fish. I've put it on shrimp before. Amazing stuff, just absolutely fresh, full of flavor. So this is my personal camping preparation kit that I actually put this together myself, my own design. I keep a small bag of all like the camping utensils. I think I've got a folding spatula. Just gonna crack that open. Actually got a couple really cool things in here. Got like a buck knife, yeah, folding spatula, some utensils, and things like that. And I have so that's what's in the small pouch. I have a larger section here, just, you know, Velcro opening. And here's a couple more items for my camp kit. Just an expanding cup there. Looks like a light my fire. I think it's kind of like a plate, cookware here. And inside, just another, you know, like a bowl. I got some camp soap for washing and cleaning all this up when I'm done. And here is the Red-Eyed Hog Original Seasoning, and it has all the information you need to know about that product. Got their really cool logo, and just an awesome little bottle capsule, just perfect for putting in any of your meal prep kits, or just directly in with your food bag for hiking or camping. Go and open it up, and you can see it's just you know, just a powdered seasoning, and it's just absolutely great stuff. You can pop off the little grate there, and, you know, just pour it out however much you want. And I just absolutely love this stuff, and it is just perfectly packable. If you want to check the folks out over at Red-Eyed Hog, I will have a link to their website in the description box of the video. So please check them out, because anytime you spend time looking at these websites and buying products from small business, American small owned business like that, they always appreciate it, because, you know, it's never a bad time to support small business in America. And not to mention, for a very reasonable price, you get an amazing product. So, but if you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up, and drop me a comment if you will. And also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. So thank you so much for your time.